How to turn off save passwords on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save passwords. So first thing, go to Opera Mini. Now go down here and click on this little icon of Opera. Click here and now it will take you to this page. Right here you will find many options. Scroll down until you find the advanced option. Click on it and you will find some options here, and here is the save password option. You can now turn it off just from here, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.